Hey, what's up, Holo chain holders? So when I see this type of result, then absolutely I'm totally in shock. But some holders ask me question to what we do and this situation. This is absolutely very critical situation for all holder of Holo chain, because if you can see here, absolutely totally they gone down and everyone can lost if they gone like this. Absolutely, you can see here the changes as 10.20% gone down. Absolutely, the price is absolutely totally goes down. Market cap, everything, dilute market cap absolutely goes down totally. I will also lost, and this I am also holder of Holo chain. So what we do, and this is a critical situation: hold, sell, buy. This is absolutely amazing video. Please keep watch this video, is very important. We decide to sell or buy. I also need your opinion. Please your opinion also share in a comment box. I also need. I am also holder of Holo chain, and just 3 days ago to I buy a Holo chain. So coin. So let's get started this brand video. Before I get started this video, I request you my brothers to please subscribe this channel, because I updating you every good news or bad news, and I give you an option. This is absolutely ABS Tech one channel. Do you have ask any type of question? Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Okay guys, so first of all I'm gonna show you the market cap. The market cap is absolutely totally goes down. You can see here 10.30% they're gone down. Absolutely fully diluted market cap is absolutely 10% goes down, and this is the last 1 hour result. You can see here the 24-hour volume as 32.59% goes down. So if the holders see this result, then absolutely here's absolutely very, this is terrible situation. Absolutely everyone can ask this question to what we do and this situation. First of all guys, I gonna show you the last 1 day result, the last 1 day chart, then we decide to what we do. And the chart result absolutely, I know the chart result absolutely totally bad, but absolutely you can see here, this is watching absolutely very important. You can see here absolutely they're gone straight, and absolutely they're taking jumps starting this. They take a small jump there, but they take a very long dump. Absolutely very long dump. You can see here absolutely when I see this type result, then absolutely my brand stop working. Absolutely this time absolutely very bad result. So brothers, what we do, my opinion is that to please hold it and wait for the good time, because the holder of VChain tweet as that to please wait for the mid of this month and wait for the end of this month. I hope the result has gone good. The result has gone good at the end of month. So if the result is gone good at the end of this month, then absolutely this is good news for all holder of Holo chain. Congratulations. Wait for the good result. Wait for the end of this month. And I know they change and positive. Absolutely they change in positive. This is very fastest cryptocurrencies, guys. I said that this is very fastest cryptocurrency, not a small cryptocurrency. Absolutely they are in top. Holo chain is very fastest cryptocurrency. So don't waste your time. Please don't sell it. Just if you have any plan to buy more, then absolutely this is not time of buying, but just wait a day. Absolutely the buying time is coming. But if you are already holder, you already buy it, then absolutely wait for the good time. If good time is coming, then absolutely you sell it and a good time and make a good profit, so make more money. So thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please share your opinion in the comment box. Also subscribe this channel, press the bell icon for latest videos notification. Like video. Allah Hafiz.